Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin. What's going on this time? As you know, my friends, it is the first day of a new month, and every people waiting for this day because, as I told you in my previous videos, that Dogecoin will take a huge pump on the first June. So same like that, you can see now today is the 1st June and the pricing occur in a Dogecoin. The last 1 hour pricing is positive, my friends. So I'm very happy to see the jump of the Dogecoin. Congratulations to all Dogecoin holders. Please, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's see, my friends, the latest update. You can see here the price chart. My friends, that is the last 1 day price chart of Dogecoin. Absolutely, Dogecoin is going positive, and I really appreciate Dogecoin this time. The gradually start moving upward, going up, going up, going up. Oh my goodness, I really appreciate this time the Dogecoin. But you can see it now. If you look the last 2 hours price chart of the Dogecoin, so the last 2 hours fast down, of course. Oh my god, absolutely the price is very badly fast down in the last 2 hours. So what should we do this time? As a double stamp now, and no, my friends, don't decide to sell. A lot of people when see the smart fast starts in the Dogecoin, so they decide to sell. No, no, no. If you want to make a good amount of profit with the Dogecoin, so you have to hold for a long time. That's how you can make a good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.